Welcome to RS Kids Art. Hello kids, today we are drawing a beautiful girl purse drawing. Let's start. We'll make a beautiful girl purse drawing. Wait for end. We complete a beautiful girl purse drawing. Let's enhance little bit. Now fill the colors. Red color. We complete a beautiful girl purse drawing with colors. Thanks for watching.